Okay, today we're going to look at nonfiction text, and we're going to look at how to access nonfiction ebooks in WorldBook. So you will double click on your Google Chrome on your desktop, and that should bring you to your homepage. If you have not been in WorldBook this year, you will need to scroll down in alphabetical order until you see WorldBook Online. We click on that. It brings you to the WorldBook homepage. Now I'm going to eBooks, which is at the bottom in this middle tile. And it's going to bring me to several different categories in eBooks. If you look along the top, you will see these are in alphabetical order, different categories. And you can go through by moving the arrow forward to see which categories we have ebooks in. And you might find something that's interesting to you. I'm going to go in sports and recreation. You can see there are numerous books here. Even though this one is a little dated because LeBron James plays for the Lakers now, I'm going to double click that one so that I can look at this ebook. Looks like it's not starting at the beginning because that's page 6. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. Okay, and then I can see the cover and go through each page. Now you're going to choose an ebook today for this activity. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to find one, and then you can go back into the Google form and answer the questions as you're working today.